Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. I want to know, why do we self-sabotage? So, this is not a video that is giving you the answers. I have not done research. I am just asking a question. Why do we self-sabotage? Hopefully, after this video, some of you guys will have some great answers that will help me in the comments, and then later I am going to actually be doing some research mentally online for why we do self-sabotage. Yesterday, you guys know, I finally got under 300 pounds. Got to 299.6. It's fantastic, but I wasn't feeling fantastic about it. I was having a bunch of mixed emotions. One person did comment, and I'm sorry, I forgot who it was. If I remember, I'm gonna look it up and type it across the screen who it was, because it was actually a great piece of insight. They had said, well, maybe because at 299.6, you are still so close to being back over 300 pounds that I couldn't get excited because I was scared that I was going to get back over 300 pounds. And I think that was a huge factor into why I wasn't feeling wonderful about it yesterday. But the thing is, that negative feeling grew as the day went on. And then I made some horrible choices. One, I didn't move around or exercise. I literally sat in my chair, my computer chair, the entire day. I got up to go to the bathroom, to get food, and to do dishes. That's it. Other than that, I sat in the chair the entire freaking day. And around lunchtime, I had ordered Raising Cane's. I got the Caniac combo, 1,200 calories. I can fit this into my day. After that, I had some stuff earlier, so at that point, I was at 1,900 calories for the day. Great. On Sundays lately, I've been having 3,000 calories. That's fine. That's fine. As the day went on, and I still need time to process what was going on in my head, because I didn't have a binge moment. You know, those moments where you almost black out and you're just grabbing stuff and eating it, and then you like kind of come to. It was like practically calculated decisions to screw myself. I ordered pizza. And again, we know, like, technically, if I had ordered a 10-inch sausage and pepperoni pizza from Emo's, that's 950 calories. I would have been under 3,000 calories. Could have been okay. But two issues with that. One, this was at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so only a couple hours after I had Raising Cane's. And two, I didn't order a 10-inch pizza. I ordered a large pizza that is 16 inches. And it was a meat lovers pizza because it was on sale, where you could get a large meat lovers pizza, 16-inch pizza, for, $17 versus a little bit more than that for a large. I mean, for the 10-inch ones. No, I don't know the pricing, whatever. I looked at it, looked like a great price, so let's order that. And I ordered a piece of cheesecake. So I ate that. And also in between, I had decided I'm like, okay, I'm going to just eat a healthy snack. So I had made, I have some frozen bananas in the freezer, made a little smoothie with that and almond milk and like kind of nice cream, basically. It was great. And then had that. And then it just got worse from there. Luckily, I didn't eat too much past that. I don't need to list all my food. I ate a lot of food. Still trying to calculate what I eat. Sorry, I know that's probably loud. I'm trying to get to the gym, and my windows are frozen. So I'm trying to let it defrost, and I figure I'd talk to you guys while that happens. But yeah, so I don't know why I did that. Normally, I have reasons. Stuff is going on at work. I have this stress, that stress, whatever, there was no reason for it. The only thing that I can think of, because I just got off of having some apology conversations with some of my friends, is that I might have been over socializing lately. Granted, it's socializing online, but you're still with headphones, you're still doing things, because I do it while playing games. So it's very social, even if it's not in person. And literally every day after work, I have been getting online and playing with friends. And so I'm on, personality-wise, I'm on. And I think, that can be a factor. That definitely became a factor into me getting a little cranky last night with them. Luckily, nothing that they even noticed. I was sending out apologies and like, well, you were quiet and, whatever, but they didn't quite realize. So I talked to them about some stuff that they need to work on, but also like, I need to be a little bit more self-aware of myself and know that I, days and days in a row of playing with groups of people might not be best for me. And yeah, so like, I don't know. There was that as a factor. Another factor could be like that social group that I'm in charge of, or not in charge of, that I'm part of. We are planning an event in September, the Dogwoods thing, and I'm in charge of getting bags and like goodies to put inside of it. Like there'll be like 60 of us. I have a set budget, and I want to get bags that have our logo on there and other stuff to put inside, and I'm in charge of that. So I'm trying to figure that out, and it's going to be fun and it's great, but that is an added stress factor because I always put pressure on myself that I feel like I got to impress people. I got to do the best. So that could be a factor. Sorry, this is kind of me venting and figuring it out. So that's really all that happened yesterday. So I don't know fully why. So if you guys have tips or advice on why sometimes self-sabotage happens, let me know. I will be doing some research. And in the meantime, I gained 5 pounds since yesterday. And so I'm going to the gym and hopefully lose the weight this week. And where I'm at now, honestly, this is the other factor to the question. I wish I had said this in the beginning because I don't know how many of you are still here. But part 2 of why do we self-sabotage is, why do I feel better now that I have done that? I did horrible. I stepped on the scale this morning. Like I said, I gained 5 pounds, but I feel better. I feel more motivated, more energized, more ready to conquer this. And still logically, 5 pounds is the largest gain I've had on a Sunday in quite a while, on Monday, in quite a while. So I do not know if, there we go. I do not know if I can actually lose it come this coming Sunday. And I'm okay with that. Like, for some reason at this point, I'm okay with having a gain. And I don't fully understand why that. I don't want a gain. I really would love to end this week and be like, dude, you messed up. You worked your butt off and still had a loss this week. That is my ultimate goal. That is what I want to happen. But logically, knowing how my body works, I do know that may not happen. I may not. Okay, this person's letting me go. Thank you. That may not happen. We'll see come this weekend. But at least I'm going to the gym. I'm planning on staying on track today. Got my accountability post in the Facebook group. I have my... Sorry, I know that's loud. I have my plan of action in place. So we'll see how this week goes. But I am really, really, really curious why the freaking self-sabotage. I need it to stop. I really want it to stop. But we'll see. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope some of you guys can relate. I hope some of you can give me some answers. But if not, check out other people's answers and see if it can help you. Because I know I'm not the only one that struggles with self-sabotage. So please do comment. Let me know what you think, what you feel. If you can relate to this, if you do have any kind of answers or any thoughts or perspectives on it, let me know. And of course, like the video and all that jazz. And I will talk to you all later, either for an answer video, because maybe I'll do another video where I'm just giving what all of you guys suggest, or what I find online. And obviously we'll have a Tag Tuesday this week, and then Sunday weigh-in. So I'll see you whenever those things happen. All right, thank you. I am going to the gym. Bye.